Westermans here with the Acron, doing a quick sample test weld for a customer on gauze going into a stainless tube. Does the job very nicely. Could actually do some tweaking on the tips if needed, just to get rid of any marking, but the bottom tip has actually been changed to suit getting in. Westermans here again with the Acron, just another weld test with a little bit less power, so obviously less marking on the surface. Again, could be cleaned and tips dressed if needed. Nice easy process working with the Acron on air and a single phase supply.